In this session, we're going to take the M-sit and dial it up a little bit and explore a full bridge. So we'll get shoulder extension, hamstring glute activation, lots of breath control. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is just find the M-sit position. So this is external rotation of the shoulders. So that means fingers pointed back, elbows slightly bent, legs out in front. We're going to bend those elbows back ever so softly, reaching back, allowing the scapula to squeeze back together and allowing those shoulder heads to rotate back. Let's just go ahead and take a breath or two here in this position, sinking down in to allow the tissues to open up. Using that breath to make space. Good. So we're going to think about those same activations that we did in the M-sit. If you haven't participated in that class yet, basically all we want to do is we want to be able to press down and pull forward just a little bit, activating the biceps. So we're trying to pull the mat towards our backside here. Once we have that activation in place, we're going to press our feet down into the ground and tuck our pelvis. Now as we hold that squeeze, we're going to continue to tuck the pelvis, just finding a bare hover here. You're pressing your feet down into the ground, and now push down through that floor and push that sternum towards the ceiling, keeping a soft bend in those elbows to work those triceps. Keep pulling the floor towards you, work those biceps, and tuck that pelvis up just a little bit more. We're going to hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and then control the down. Unwinding and back down. Good, go ahead and come off the shoulders and the hands for a second. Give them a little shake. Out in front. Move everything around. Allow the tissue to breathe and flush just a little bit. So we're going to do that one more time. Pushing in just a little bit. I had a little bit of cramp there in my left TFL, so I had to straighten the legs out. Happens. Sinking back in, elbows back behind, bent, sternum lifted, feet planted, pelvis tucked, pressing down, pulling the floor towards you, rolling that pelvis away, tucking your way up, push through the floor, slight bend of the elbows, pull the floor towards you, and keep lifting that pelvis up until you get just a little bit close to level. Keep tucking, pressing down through those feet. Hug the floor together with your feet just a little bit. Pull the mat towards your feet. Keep pointing that sternum towards the ceiling. Breathe. And down with control. And coming off. Oof. There is a lot to that move, and our goal here is to just keep progressing it up and up and up until we get a full expression of a tabletop bridge. So that was round 2. We're going to do one more round, and we're going to see if we can get all the way to the top. If you can't get there, that's fine. Find the space that you can get to and control. That's the important part. For me, as I work on this, I notice that once again, I'm fighting with my left side a little bit to get it to the right space so that I feel like I'm controlling my whole body and not just letting one side do all the work. So let's go ahead and do that one more time. Situating ourselves, externally rotating, pulling those scapula together, centering our torso between those arms. Pull your elbows together and push them back ever so slightly. Check in with your space. Spread those fingertips out. Big breath in. Pushing down, pulling forward, press down through the feet. Slowly tuck the pelvis. Start with your hover. Keep curling. Push down through that floor, tilting that sternum towards the ceiling. Keep pressing down into the floor. Push those elbows back just a little bit. Check in with your feet. Press down through the insides of those feet. Keep tucking that pelvis. Push those hips towards the sky. Reach those elbows back. Push down. Hug the floor together with your feet and hold for 2. And down with control. Unpack the pelvis. Keep pressing down into the floor. Don't just drop it. Work those arms and shoulders. And down. Oh. That's some spiciness right there at the very, very top. It's a lot of work for the shoulders, a lot of work for the scapula, biceps, triceps, glutes, hamstrings, abs, right? Full body work at in range.